Hi there, this is Navneet and welcome to my channel, Navneet Technical. Okay, so it's been a while. I didn't creating any videos from past, I think 4 to 5 months or maybe more than that. I'm not creating any videos, right? So yeah, so in this video, we are just gonna give an update like what we are going to do in the upcoming days on our channel and that things. And it's not gonna be any technical video as such. Yeah, so without any delay, let's start. So yeah, I like the major reason behind not creating videos is I'm facing from some health problems, so that's why I did not create any videos. But yeah, like now everything is awesome, everything is fine, and I'm back. I'll start creating videos again. Okay, so what we'll be going to do in the coming videos? That's the question, right? So yeah, so let me discuss. Okay, so let one by one. First thing, I'm getting a lot of messages on Instagram, okay, asking about how to learn React and way to learn React, or how did you learn React, or from where you learned front end, or something, these kind of questions. And the second thing is, I'm also, some people also asked about source code of some projects, or to create a playlist around some projects. Like if I take an example of some people asked about Google Keep clone source code, and some people asked about to start a playlist around a Flipkart clone, or voice assistant to do app, so something like that. Okay, so yeah, like let me answer all these questions one by one. Okay, so to the people who are asking about way to learn front end, or way to learn React especially, and how you learn React. Okay, so to all the people, to all these people, so I already created a roadmap. It's almost done, and I'm thinking to start a series by following the same roadmap as well. So yeah, or let me do one thing. So let me show that roadmap to you people. So let me share my screen. Okay, so yeah, so this is the roadmap. Okay, so basically, this is React.js. So yeah, we are starting with React.js, and I divided this React.js into basically three things. Okay, so one is the what are the concepts of React.js that need to be learned, and okay, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah. Okay. So first thing is like the concepts which we need to learn about React.js, and the second thing is library. So we'll also learn some libraries to make our life easier, or to make our React.js website more performant, or more look beautiful, or something like that. So that kind of libraries and projects, like what kind of projects we'll be building after learning these concepts and these libraries. So this will be listed in this particular projects. So now if you just expand, if you just click on this, so this particular thing will be expanded, and I listed out all the concepts that need to be learned. Like if you just look, first we'll see how to set up editor, JSX attributes, CSS, images, and all. Like you can go through all of them one by one. I'll share the link of this roadmap in the description, so don't worry about that. So yeah, again, you can just expand again here. So this will again further list down the all the things which are inside this particular concept. So this is how I created this roadmap, and this is with the concepts. Okay, so these are the concepts we will learn. And if you go on expanding, there are a lot of things. It took a lot of time to create this. Yeah, there are a lot of things need to be learned, so you can just look at everything one by one. But yeah, like for now I'll just close this concept. Okay, so that is with the concepts. Don't worry, we'll in the in the series, right? So whenever I start this particular series by following this roadmap, we'll discuss, we'll go through these concepts, we'll expand this, and we'll look through each and everything mentioned on this particular roadmap. Okay, don't worry about that. And next, coming to libraries. So again, I divided libraries into these kind of four things. For now, these are the four things. Okay, and this roadmap is not like static. I'll keep on updating it, and I'll keep on adding more and more information to this particular roadmap. So this particular roadmap will be gonna be dynamic. It's not a static. Okay, so for now I listed these are the types of libraries we will learn. So one is libraries which are used for styling. Like for now, MUI is the one, and routing, React routed out is the one, and server state, to manage server state of React. So we'll be learning about React query, and we'll also, not only all these, we'll also learn how to plot charts in React.js. And yeah, for now I did not mention any particular library, but yeah, like we'll be looking around chart.js, or React chart.js, or some sort of that recharge. Okay, that sort of libraries we'll be looking at. Yeah, and this is with the libraries. Okay, so there are more no, a lot of libraries coming in over here, don't worry. Yeah, I'll update that at the time. Okay, and next, coming to the projects. So coming to the project, so I listed the names of the projects over here. So for now I added these. Okay, and yeah, a lot of projects are there on the roadmap and will be coming in over here. And these are the names. So I think we'll be starting with the Google Keep clone, or I'm not sure, but yeah, like we'll be starting with Google Keep clone. But yeah, again, so this is just the name of the project, right? And again, you are able to see a number over here. So if you just expand this, so I listed down all the features that will be building in this particular project. So yeah, and this is the tech stack which is being used in this particular project. Okay, so let me minimize this and let's expand this. Okay, so yeah, so coming to the projects, okay, we'll be making an Instagram clone. So that is the name of the project over here. Now, what are the features that is going to be available? Is nothing but this. So the future, one of the future is like posts. Okay, post is the main thing of, I mean, Instagram consists of, right? So the next major feature is a profile. Like you will be able to maintain your profile. Now, what are the features available in a particular post? Okay, so these are the features. Again, these are the sub features of the post, right? So yeah, like this, I mentioned what are the features we'll be building in this particular project. Okay, so yeah, this is how I created a roadmap, like by dividing React.js into three main components: concepts, libraries, projects. And yeah, so we'll be discussing about each and every point in detail when we start the series. But yeah, for now, this is the roadmap. And let me know like how is this roadmap, or should I improve anything in this particular roadmap, or anything need to be added, or anything need to be removed. So yeah, like do let me know in the comment section about your opinion about this particular roadmap. Okay, so yeah, this is with the roadmap. Okay, now coming back. Okay, so now we discussed the first question, right? Now coming to the second question, that is source code of the project, and also start playlists around projects. Sure, definitely. So I'll make the source code available of almost all the projects. So I'll upload it to the GitHub repo. Not all projects, okay, because yeah, some project source code will still be private, but yeah, I'll make almost all the projects available on the GitHub repo. And already like GitHub repo is already available in almost all the description like of the videos. Okay, so yeah, and regarding that, okay, now coming to the playlist around the projects. Yeah, I'll definitely start the playlist also around the projects. So I'm thinking the first project will be doing maybe Google Keep clone. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, like I'm thinking about that. And I'm sorry for the people who are waiting for the Flipkart clone. I'm really sorry for them. But yeah, like actually I'm working on the optimization of that particular Flipkart clone. So it may take some time, not more time, but yeah, like some time. Yeah, we'll be ready with the Flipkart clone as well. So but yeah, like I think we'll be starting with Google Keep clone, and then voice assistant to do app, and then we'll start Flipkart clone as well. Yeah, because I'm working on the optimization so that we can learn a lot of things in just a single project. Okay, yep, and this is the thing. And the third thing is like I will continue the Material UI series as is. I stopped it in the middle actually, as I mentioned the reason earlier. So yeah, I'll continue that series. And I also observe that Material UI is being used a lot of places. So yeah, so that series will definitely be helpful for you guys. And yeah, that's it for the video. So I just want to discuss about these things, and I just want to give an update like what will be going on our channel in the coming days. And yeah, like okay, one last thing I just want you from you people is, should I create a front-end series from scratch, like let's say HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then React, and then React Native, MongoDB, I mean backend, Node.js, Express, and all of things, or should I directly start from React and then go to React Native, and then backend, something like that, or okay, something like that. So I just want know your people opinion on that. So let's say like if you want me to start from scratch, like from HTML, CSS, and JS and all, so just comment down in the comment section, scratch. Or if you want me to start directly from React, and then we'll look some projects, and then we'll go with React Native and all, so just comment in the comment section like React. Okay, so scratch for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React Native, and all. So React for directly starts from React. Okay, I think it's clear. Yep. Yeah. So cool. These are the updates I just want to give. That's it. Let me know. And yeah, I'm thinking like there is an echo going on in the video. So let me know, like, how is the audio quality actually in the video. So because this is the new place I'm recording videos. Actually, these days, previously I don't have any separate space to record in videos, and but yeah, like now I have a separate space where I can record in videos so that I can produce more and more content. So, but yeah, I think there is a small echo problem. So let me know about the audio quality in the comment section as well. Yep, I think I gave all the information all I thought. I think I didn't miss anything. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.